Welcome to the Odessey collection, and we're at the Heron floor plan, and this one is really cool. You may have never seen anything like this because it's a 2-car plus a 2-car tandem. So if you got boats, toys, custom cars, you're gonna wanna watch this video. And again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to follow, subscribe, and watch all of the other videos. We have a ton of floor plans from Verdin. We're gonna bring you all the insider information, plus some really amazing ways to save time, money, and stress if you're gonna buy a house up here. We'll mention that at the end of the video, but for now, let's go through the Heron floor plan. Let's talk about the Verdin community, the amazing amenities, and the location, right? So location-wise, this is prime time. It's a short, easy drive to the 17 because then we can go up to the lakes, down to the airport, or get anywhere in the city. If you're going over back to the east to Tatum Ranch, to Scottsdale, super easy drive. But out here, right, we're bordering private land. That's what makes this so special. This is kind of your last opportunity to get a home up here because they're not building anything else in this area. On top of that, amazing mountain views like Pinnacle Peak right behind me. Now within the community, I am genuinely impressed. I've been in real estate a long time. The amenities are epic. There's over 6 acres of amenities, things from beach entry pool, Olympic pool, right? 8 pickleball courts. There's gonna be a cool little cafe in here. There are gonna be over 30 miles of hiking trails out here. There are things like dog parks. There is so much space out here. Again, I said it before, I was sitting in 6 acres of amenity space, everything you want. So much wrapped into an amazing private community up here in North Phoenix. Verdin is the spot. If you want to make this your home, you want to take a tour through the models, reach out, you know what to do, call, text, email, or go to the link to schedule your time to talk with us. We'll bring you in, we'll take you through all of the community here, we'll take you through the different collections. We're going to find home for you. I would love to meet you and take you out here and make Verdin your next home. So coming in here and right off the side here is really cool. A little family area. So this could be an office or a great place for kids to, I love how this is set up, right? If you're a family with kids, what a great way to have it set up for them to come home, do their homework, have an actual focused area to get their work done, than kind of trying to do it at the kitchen table. That never works, right? Come through here, we've got bedroom back here. Now this is the front guest bedroom. It's got its own walk-in closet. Surprisingly, pretty big, right? Walk-in closet here. It's got its own bathroom, which is really nice. As you guys can see, plenty of space there. Now the Heron floor plan is really nice. Again, another one of those very family-oriented floor plans. I love the wide, this has wide hallways, kind of like if you saw the Poppy, this is wide hallways like that. Coming through here, a little extra storage. We're gonna have a guest powder room here, and then another bedroom that's kind of like a bedroom suite with its own walk-in closet, of course, just like the others, right? Nice walk-in closet. Again, this is great for kids because it's got its own private bathroom. Full bathroom there, ready to go. Coming back through here, if you're looking for a single story layout with wide hallways, extra storage for cars, trucks, boats, Heron's a floor plan, and especially if you need your own custom office, this is really upscale feeling, cool office with the French doors, you can close it off. And it's really deep, lots of space. Coming back through here, we're gonna go through the main layout. Just like the others, nice open kitchen. I wanna point out one thing. The Heron has a lot more counter space than some of the other floor plans. They all have plenty, but if you look all the way down, the extension down there, tons of extra space, storage, right? Huge island, but all of this is so much extra storage. You're not gonna run out of space. Really cool little dining area here. Back behind here, we've got the pantry. Of course, nice big walk-in pantry. Plenty of space. This thing looks like a walk-in closet. Check that out. Lots of space. Now coming back through, okay. Before we go to the primary, we're gonna go back over here, laundry area, plenty of space. Good sized laundry room. Again, space to full do laundry, lots of extra storage. And now we're gonna go back to the primary bedroom, and then I'm gonna take you to that awesome 2-car tandem garage. Coming through here, I really like that there's lots of openings, lots of daylight from the windows. Then primary, really nice bathroom setup. Primary's a good size, but yeah, this is big, really nice. I would say very spacious. Of course, the separate sinks, freestanding tub, designer shower. And then of course the closet is a really good size. I don't know if you have noticed all of the floor plans we brought you, but the closets here at Verdin rock. every closet is awesome. Not just the primary ones, but the hall ones. If you like closets and space, Verdin's a no-brainer, right? So we'll go back through here. From this angle, you can really see definite family house, right? Lots of space, throw a big couch here, extra living space here. Now, if you want a house like this, if you got a boat, you like going to the lake, maybe you have some custom cars, or just an extended family, you need extra parking, I'm gonna show you why this floor plan, the Heron, could be for you. But again, if you want to schedule time to see these properties in person, you want to go out and see how to get a great deal, all you have to do is call, text, email, or fill out the link below. We'll give you access to all the floor plans. You can schedule a consultation with me and I'll show you how to make this experience amazing. And again, when you're buying, we have a program to save you up to $10,000 with a rebate program. Put that money back in your pocket to help you buy a house. And if you have a home to sell, no worries, we got you covered. We've got a guaranteed cash offer program, and we also have a public listing program to list and sell your home for only 1%. Now, if that sounds amazing, be sure to reach out. And before we wrap up this video, let's go check out that 2-car tandem garage to put that beautiful boat to take you on the lake. Let's go check it out. Now, coming into here, this is the 2-car tandem garage that makes the Heron floor plan really unique. And this is great if you've got maybe custom cars or boats, because obviously Verdin is just a quick shot down the road to get to all of the lakes that we love in Arizona. So this is really, really deep garage. Think about EV chargers, you've got electric vehicles, so the Heron floor plan is great. If you've got, again, custom cars or a boat or a trailer, this is really, really deep. Again, this is the 2-car plus a 2-car tandem floor plan, and it's the Heron layout. Now, before I send you on your way, be sure to subscribe, because this is only half of the floor plans available within Verdin, and we're going to be continuing to bring you walkthroughs of these floor plans, any important information. And again, be sure to reach out to us. We can take you through all of the different collections. We can save you so much time, money, and stress buying a home here in Verdin. Don't wait, reach out. Let's go make this your next home.